How to set your camera to use multi-autofocus on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now from the home screen, launch the camera app. Next, we tap on the More button here and then choose Pro Mode. In Pro Mode, select the autofocus function, tap on that, and down here tap on the left hand button. In here you can choose center or multifocus. So because we want to use multifocus, select multifocus. Here you can swipe across and you can also adjust the manual focus, or you can choose multifocus. Okay, so once you have that settings, tap on the X to close it, and then you can tap on your camera to take a pictures. And that's it. So that is multifocus on the Galaxy S26 or the S26 Plus or Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.